Ready to supercharge your Vapi platform with the power of Relevance AI. First, let's head over to your Vapi dashboard and locate the Integrations section, where the magic begins. Now, it's time to jump into your Relevance AI account and find your API keys. You'll need these to connect to Vapi, keeping your data safe. Back in Vapi, select the Relevance AI option from the list of available integrations, and you will be greeted with a configuration form here. Carefully input the API keys and any other required connection details you acquired from Relevance AI. Once the connection parameters are in place, you link Vapi to Relevance AI. If you did everything correctly, you should see the connection established now. What does this accomplish? You can seamlessly import and analyze data within Vapi using Relevance AI's incredible data modeling functionality. This integration opens doors to enhanced data insights, smart data recommendations, and much more. Get ready to customize your communications and strategies. Congratulations! You've successfully connected Relevance AI and Vapi. Dive deeper into your data, unlock personalized strategies, and optimize your platform with the help of cutting-edge AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.